and it's running fine. Well, as it seems like it's, ooh, M52 B28 with the M50 manifold. Ooh, Porsche math. Ooh, background noise. Ooh, but yeah, we're gonna try this again now that we have all the right stuff. We hope, because we're not gonna jinx it, so we hope. But yeah, god damn, this looks, why is there moisture coming in? What the hell? Yeah, I don't know. There's some moisture coming in from somewhere. I don't know why. But yeah, so we are going to grab the Turner Motorsports thing, and this, for now, that's all we need. And I'm going to set you guys up, and I'm going to take the old MAF off, and I hope, I don't know if the 3.5 MAF can fit through here, but yeah, let's see. Probably can, but I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, and I really need to get like a wide angle lens for this thing, because yeah, that's not the wave. And hopefully you guys can hear me, because that's a lot of background noise. Stanley Steamer, the carpet cleaner people thingy majiggy whatever, is out doing some carpet cleaner stuff. Oh Jesus. I should actually grab some gloves, but yeah. Jesus, yeah, let me grab some gloves. Also, for some strange reason, it is kind of hot out here. I believe it's like 80 something degrees in October, which is very odd. So yeah, very odd. It's either very odd or is it fairly odd? Ha 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 ha. Old MAF out. New MAF. Bosch 803. So the Porsche MAF, boom, connector goes on, and make sure the airflow thingy, the arrow's facing that way. And yep, the piping thingy does fit. So let me fix the little gasket and make everything, you know, try to fit at least a little bit. Give me a second. Alright, so after fighting with this thing for a little while, I got it on, and now I just have to, what do you call it? I just have to grab the other piping and just mock up a place for the cone filter to fit, and then I should be all set. Hopefully I can make a little something out of this, because I have to get this thing on here. I'm gonna need like a bend piece or something, because this piece right here is not going to work with that. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to make something work, and then I'll get back to you guys, and then I'll show you the final product, or whatever becomes of what I do for now, and then you guys will see it in a second. Alright, so for now, I just have to run it like this with no heat shield, unfortunately. What I may do is just like, you know, rig up something just like around the intake itself, just something temporary or whatever, because I don't know, just because. But I can't run the heat shield right now because I need a angle piece, so the filter goes right here, and the one that I have is not the right size because this diameter is too small, and I'm not going to run such a restrictive thing when seeing as though I have good size piping. So yeah, for now this is what I'm gonna have to do. Next, I'm not gonna do it right now, but like next I'm going to be doing the secondary air pump delete, which is deleting this unit right here, which doesn't really do anything, and then replacing the PCV, which is this, because as you can see it's all taped up and that's causing vac leaks bad. And then I also have to adjust the throttle cable because I'm pretty sure that's one of the things that's causing an issue while driving. And then that should be everything. And then you guys should also see in the next upcoming videos the cams, head gasket, Arp Headstuds, and tune. Oh yeah, and the exhaust. So yeah, so all the good stuff should be coming. So right now I'm going to turn on the car and test the mass airflow. All right, it's super hot in here. Black interior plus, you know, sunlight. Not necessarily, this is not great. So I'm gonna turn the car on and see. Jesus Christ, all these insects. Guess the thing is getting used to itself or something. Throttle response seems really late for some reason. Let's see. Probably got to give it some time. Oh man, it's really hot. Jesus Christ. And there's no AC. I'm gonna run to the trunk and grab some napkins. You guys let me know if anything happens. So the car died. I believe a part of this is the throttle cable. So yeah, so I believe the throttle cable has to be adjusted again for, yeah, because, so one time when I was driving it, like I was pressing the pedal and like there was like a big dead spot. So yeah, in the next video I'll get back to you guys and I'll show you guys where we adjust it, because this video is dragging and doesn't really make sense. So yeah, because as you guys see, yeah. Well, so I took the Turner Motorsports adapter thingy off and it's running fine. Well, as it seems, like it's like idling fine and stuff. Before it was in like a limp mode kind of thing, so now I can rev the car. So I guess I don't need that for some reason. I don't know why. That's weird, because I should need that, but I'm very confused. But yeah, I don't know.